This video tutorial I will explain what is proxy, what is forward proxy and what is reverse proxy. First we will see what is proxy. Imagine you want to order a pizza from a restaurant but you are too busy to go there yourself. So you ask your friend to go to the restaurant and bring back the pizza for you. In this scenario, your friend acts as a middleman between you and the restaurant and handling the task of getting the pizza on your behalf. So in this scenario, your friend acts as a proxy. Similarly, in computer world, proxy is like a middleman server or service that acts on behalf of client to interact with other servers or services. Now we will see forward proxy. Let us say you want to order the pizza from the restaurant website, but the website is restricted in your region. So you cannot access the restaurant website. So what you will do is you will use the forward proxy like VPN or proxy server to access the website indirectly. And forward proxy sits between your device and the internet, and it forwards a request to the website on your behalf. And forward proxy helps you to bypass the restriction and access the restricted content. Now we will see what is reverse proxy. Now imagine you are running food delivery service with multiple restaurants and you want to streamline the ordering process for your customers. So you set up the central hub where customers can place their orders. When a customer requests a pizza, the central hub forward the request to the appropriate restaurant based on the order and collects the pizza when it is ready and deliver it back to the customer. And in this scenario, the central hub acts as a reverse proxy. In the computer world, reverse proxy sits in front of backend servers and handles incoming requests from the clients. Reverse proxy can perform tasks like load balancing, hashing, and security checks before forwarding the request to appropriate backend servers. In summary, proxy acts as a middleman between clients and servers. Forward proxy helps clients to access servers or services indirectly, especially when direct access is restricted. Reverse proxy handles incoming requests from the clients and forwards them to backend servers, and often providing additional features like load balancing or security measures. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.